everybody, welcome to my new Scar Oscar Reviews on Files. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. Alright, as you guys can see by the title, this is a video of what I use on my lock journey routine, okay? So this is what I use, and yeah, so a lot of people ask, so yeah, stay tuned. Y'all, so this is what I'm using on my lock journey. I have the products here, and there's probably one product that I don't have in here, so I'm going to have to do a video within a video. So I'm going to start with the washing, and then we're going to go down the list of the moisturization and the styling, okay? So I'm just going to get up a little bit up close and personal with y'all, okay? All right, so here we go. All right, so to wash my wash routine, I do use my Fluffy Puffs, what is it, the shampoo bar that I've been talking about. So I will link that down in the description right below so you guys could go see it, and I will put a video within the video so you guys can see that. I do use that. I have used that when I first washed my hair after the 3 months, and then you know, that's basically about that. So I do wash, and I've been using that for a while with my loose natural hair as well, okay? All right, so this is the shampoo that I just recently used. I used this only one time already, and this is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Tingle shampoo. I like this shampoo a lot. I only use this once. I will use it again the second time around. I do like it. I have not done a review on it. If you would like to see a review, please let me know. But this is the shampoo that I am using. Some people probably do not want to use this because it does have sulfates in it, and it does have chemicals in it. I know I said in my other video that I wanted to stay away from chemicals as much as possible, but sometimes there's some chemicals and things of that nature. You can't get away from things. You try to be as natural as possible, and that's what I try to do. So that's basically about that. So yeah, I definitely will just continue to use this, and I purchased this prior to, like, you know, washing my hair and things of that nature before I even made the video of saying that. So I will see. So I am trying to keep it as natural as possible as you see as the products go along, okay? All right, so I didn't pick up their deep conditioner or their conditioner, so I did use a conditioner that I've been using for a while on my loose natural hair. I believe I have a review on this. This is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. A lot of people that have locks do not want to use conditioner because they might think it's going to detangle their hair. So I will have a video talking about that and why, and things of that nature, and why I think that, you know, deep conditioning your locks should be fine, but everybody, to each his own. So but this is what I use. I do everything in the shower now. I don't have wash days anymore where I washed hours on end for like 8 hours, like basically the whole day. Nobody has time for that. So I do everything in the shower. So I only leave this on my hair for like 5 minutes and then I'm out, okay? So that's basically about that. So I condition my hair for the first time the last time I washed. The first time I washed, I did not condition my hair because I was scared, so, like I said, about the conditioning. So I'll talk about that in the video, but here it is right here. All right, so as far as moisturization, I do use the Rosewater. My hair probably looks dry right now, so let me just spray some. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if that really did anything, but it's just basically water. It's rose water. It has a nice refreshing smell, and I do use this, you know, every other day or when I think about it and things of that nature, and that's basically about that. And that's my moisturization right there. As far as oiling my scalp, I use the Builder Beauty's castor oil mix, and this is what I use. She is a YouTuber on here, and she also has an Instagram, so I'll put her information down below. So I've been using this for a while prior to having my locks. So this is what it is right here, as you guys can see here. All right. And this is what I've been using, okay? So I really do like this a lot. And I don't oil my scalp as often. I just oil it, you know, once a week, and that's basically about that, if that, okay? And then as far as some more moisturization, there's no water in here left, but I use regular water sometimes. I will be probably doing a DIY. I'm gonna probably, you know, do some mixtures of some oils and just water, so I could just you know, just spray it on and things of that nature. So if you guys want to see a video on that, please let me know. I will be adding that to my regimen, just to spray, just to put some oils up in there. That's basically it about that. But just let me know if you guys want to see that. I just thought about that today. Oh wow, let me just start doing that, or what have you, or whatever. So I will be doing that just to enhance the water just a little bit, okay? And then to the styling, I use the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. A lot of people, you know, probably talk about it, that this is not good because it does cause buildup and things of that nature. But let me just tell you, if you do a proper wash routine and do what you're supposed to do when it's time to wash your hair, you should be fine. And if you don't use as much as you should with this, because especially I'm on a budget, so I don't want to use that much product, because when I use this, I use little to no, I use very little product with this. I don't OD with this, you know. As you guys know from when I was loose natural, I used to OD on products, but now I'm very conscious about my products because, again, I am doing a budget. Started this April, and also, you know, I have locks now, so this is not that the hair is loose. You know, you have the hair compacted and it's in a different form, so you know, it's like you got to be conscious of what you do and how and what kind of products that you put in your hair. So I'm very conscious about it, and I'm like, I'm not about to do that. So I want to use the another product that I've seen a lot of people floating around, Talia White Heat Tight Hold, but I can't find that anywhere. So I probably have to order that offline, but I will probably use that soon. But this is what I'm using right now, and this is what's working, and I haven't had any problems as of yet, okay? So I'm going to probably, well, maybe later on down the line you'll have problems. Right now I don't have any problems. I don't see any problems, and I've been using this when I wasn't washing my hair for 3 months. So I think I'm pretty good with this, okay? All right, so that's basically about that, all right? All right, so that's basically it, you guys. That is my products that I use on my hair. Oh, and one more product I forgot. I use coconut oil. I use it on the ends of my hair. I don't have it in front of me, but I'll put a video within a video. I have to buy some more. I still have to buy some more. I haven't purchased it yet, so I have to order it from Vitacost or something like that. So I'm gonna do that after I'm done recording all my videos and doing what I'm supposed to do, what have you. And I definitely will get some more. But I use the coconut oil to put on my ends and things like that, just to give it a little bit of a natural sheen or what have you, or just to help it out a little bit, you know. So because your locks could look thirsty. And also drink water for internal, okay? And I have to tell myself that because sometimes I don't be drinking water like that, so I need to do that, okay? So that's basically about that. And that's it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That is the products that I use on my locks. And I don't use a lot of products on my, probably like, that's it. Yes, that is it, boo. Okay? Because then nobody got time to be using on no products. And again, like I said, your hair is in a different form, and it's like, you know, collectively together. So when you are putting products in your hair, you have to be mindful that that hair is not going to be loose. So you have to be mindful of like all of these type of, you know, little products that can, you know, get compacted in there. So when you wash your hair, make sure that you are rinsing thoroughly and that you're getting a nice good wash, and you're not trying to hurry up, because if you're in a rush, you know, you're gonna miss some parts of your hair. Remember, again, you have locks, so you have to be conscious of that. So if you have a properly, you know, if you have a properly nice shampoo routine, you should be fine, y'all. Like, I don't see what's the problem. But anyway, I digress. But I know y'all probably like, well, you just started your locks. I don't know what you talking about. Like you some type of guru or something. No, I'm just saying, like, I don't have that much experience, maybe 3 months, you know, whatever the case. But you know, like, I'm learning as I go. If you do the proper cleansing, that's like with your loose natural hair. If you do the proper cleansing, you should be fine, especially with your scalp. And make sure you get your scalp, because that's important as well. You know, even the hair shaft, all the hair is important. So just make sure that you do a nicely deep-rooted, nice shampoo routine, okay? Don't be skimping off of that, because you will have problems later on down the line. So just make sure that you are doing a good job with the shampooing, okay? So that's basically it, y'all. I'm not gonna keep you guys long. If you have any other videos that you would like to see, please let me know. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. If you want to know more about starter locks and things of that nature, because again, you guys, I am 3 months into this journey. It will be 4 months. It will be 4 months next month, okay? And that's basically it about that. So I'm really excited about this journey. I'm still excited about this journey. Every step that I go, I'm always, you know, looking at these locks, and I'm like, dag, it's always something. I'm trying to keep my hands on my hair, but that's kind of hard as well. So, but that's basically about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the description bar below if you are, you know, if you have starter locks, if you're having problems with your locks, or, you know, we could dialogue down below and let me know some suggestions for some, you know, some lock gel and things of that nature. I'm not doing black gel, so do not suggest that. Okay, but that's basically it about that. All right, so and I know aloe vera gel, I could use that too, or aloe vera or something like that. That's more of a natural thing, so, but it's probably not going to hold my hair how I want to. So we shall see, okay, as we go down this lock journey okay, you guys. All right, that's it, you guys. I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any questions, comment, concerns, please ask. And if I forgot anything, I'll definitely annotate it in the video. All right, you guys, and have a blessed and nice day. And if you have any questions, comment, concerns, please ask. As comes along, the Facebook marketing 1970, gmail.com. Then, thank you for watching. Peace.